As we know that mental health is a serious problem and it is increasing day by day. Investigation shows that approx 450 million people suffers from mental disorder and approx 1 million people commit suicide every year. By keeping the problem in mind, we have created an app named The Hospital as Hospital at Home. We use Java, HTML, PHP, SQLite database and a server to develop this app. This app is developed in Android Studio. Data can be added and updated in a real time and all the data is moving in an encoded form. So there is less chance of hacking. We are moving data from database to app with the help of API. So the app is very fast and efficient. Our app contains user registration, screening tests, different disorder information, separate tests and their solutions, hospital assistant and mood changer. Let me explain one by one. On app installation, the user has to register on the app. Now the user has to tell their name, gender and date of birth. Then the app home page comes. Now the user has to give a screening test. This test contains 14 questions that are designed by the experts. It will help to find that there is any disorder or not. Now as per the result, user can attend tests for different disorders and can check the level of different disorder types. User can read about any disorder like its definition, symptoms, causes, its types, doctor contact numbers, precautions, etc. etc. There are separate solutions provided for each disorder that we have to do in different situation. We created a feature called Mood Changer. It contains 6 basic type of moods such as happiness, sadness, fear, disgust, anger and surprise. User have to select the current mood and can get the solution as per their mood. This feature will help the user in changing his mind from sadness to happiness, anger to happiness. It contains many videos, audios, images, quotations, shairis, notes, etc. Next is our hospital assistant. It is a chatting system with an app. If the user has to ask and respond to the app, then the app will ask and respond something and the conversation goes on. It is like two friends are talking. In this, we try to solve the user problem and make him feel better. These are some features that we had created. Now we will talk about the future scopes of this project. In future, we can add other health problems and try to get rid of them. We can also connect doctors and users to each other through this app. They can solve their problem via phone, calls, text, clinics or etc. We can also add a treatment tracking system, that is people forgot to take their medications on time. It causes failure in treatment. This app will help the user in reminder of the day-wise treatment. We can easily add these features on the hospital app. This idea is unique and we think it is important and the right time to focus on mental health. We are using database, server, online connectivity, offline support, push notification and almost new and best technologies which can handle millions of data in an efficient way. Our app can be easily used by anyone and it is user friendly. For the security purpose, we are using encryption. Now we come to the conclusion that in India, statistics shows that 1 in every 5 suffer from mental illness. We mostly never focus on the mental health, but it is important. We believe that if we are mentally strong, we can fight with any problem. And for making India Atmanirbhar, we have to be both mentally and physically strong. So if we are strong, Indian citizens are strong and then India is strong. Thank you.